just walking from Sunset or Sunshine Resort across the street to the Westin to go use the gym this morning. You can also use their pool, and of course that is where the beach access is if staying at the Sunshine Inn. So I'm going to go ahead and check out the gym. I wanted to give you guys the walk of how we get to the beach and the gym and the pool from our resort. Those are some of the roosters in there. Store. We've got Captain Marvin's if you want to do a little charter. And of course we've got a mini bar, and I'll be hitting that up for some more sunscreen later. A jeweler. That's where we got self-serve. A little further down are some restaurants. And I think this is where I kind of crossed to cross the street. Cool little things, and everybody stops, crossing. And this is the Westin. Across the street, that's where we had sushi the other night. A few more restaurants downstairs. Little nail salon, spa upstairs. Walk out to the beach so you guys can see it. And then I'll go to the gym. Morning, thank you. Morning. Here's the these are the pools. And there's the outside bar. And you got your beach towels from over there. And then staying at the Sunshine means we can also use some of these loungers. And there is the beach, guys. Over here is the Tortuga restaurant. We haven't eaten there, and a little further down is the beach house that the Westin has to offer. Now let's go back inside and find the gym. good. How are you?